On this video today, I'm going to show you the easiest method that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is beginner friendly, and the best part is that it is available worldwide. So wherever you are in the world, you can use this method to make money from home. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. As you can see on your screen, these are my earnings. You can see I got 19,380 impressions and I got 418 clicks. The conversion is 123. You can see the amount that I've made in the last 7 days, $2,473.05, and you can see the yearly payout. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a strategy that you can use to also make this amount as a complete beginner. The first thing is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are a lot of different affiliate networks that you can join. You can join Days224, you can join ClickBank, you can join Warrior Plus, or any affiliate network that you know. In this case, I'm using Market Help, so just search for Market Help. Once you search for it, you'll be able to sign up for a free account so that you can find offers to promote. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, offers. Once you click on it, click on offers so that you can select any offer that you want to promote. Once you click on offers, you're going to see a page like this. As you can see right here, these are offers that you can promote. On Market Health, all the offers are health related. You can see these are categories of health products that you can promote to make money from home. As you can see right here, these are the categories that you can click on to select a product that you can promote. All the offers are health related, so your targeted traffic source must be people who need health products so that you can get the right people to purchase the product for you to earn a commission. You can see a whole lot of different categories. Any of them that you want, click on it so that you can get offers to promote. In this case, I'm going to be using weight loss products, so click on weight loss products. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. You can see these are health products that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different weight loss offers that you can promote. But before you promote any of them, what you have to do is that you have to look at the commission. Some of them they offer flat fee, some of them you are going to be earning a percentage. For example, this one you're going to be earning $30 per every sale that you get. This one you're going to be earning 50% of the price of the offer. The next one you're going to be earning a flat fee of $45. The next one the same amount, you can see 50% of the price of the product. This one you're going to be earning $70 per every sale that you get, and you can see the rest. So any of them that you want, you can select it to promote. I usually promote different products. I don't promote only one, I promote a lot of them. But in this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting this offer right here. I've been promoting it, and it's one of the offers that you can easily get a conversion. So just click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. You can see this is your affiliate link. You can see it right here. When you scroll down, you see many other details of the product. You can see right here, this is the expiring date. It is going to expire on December 31st, 2038 at 11:59 p.m. You can see it right here. Apart from that, when you scroll down, you can see this is the landing page of the product. If you want, you can click on it to preview it. You can see this is a brief description of the offer. You can see it right here. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to preview the landing page so that I can get more detailed information about the offer. So just click on preview landing page. Once you click on preview landing page, you're going to see a page like this. This is the exact page that your potential visitors are going to see when they click on your affiliate link. So you have to read the details on this landing page so that you can be able to convey a good message that will get people to purchase the product so that you can be earning a commission. You can see a whole lot of different information about the offer. Just take your time, read about it. Once you read about it, you can use the information on this landing page to create a video and then promote the product. You can use the information on this landing page to create an article so that you can promote this offer. There are several ways that you can promote the product, so just read the details before you promote it. Just read all the details. Once you read the details, you can get more information about it before you promote it. Once you have gotten information about the product, the next step is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people to click on your affiliate link and then come on this landing page so that they can make a purchase for you to make money. One good thing about this product is that people from any part of the world can purchase it. So when you click right here, you can see anybody at anywhere can make a purchase. You can see the offer is allowed in different countries. You can see it right here. So you are allowed to promote this offer to any place in the world that you want. Once you know that, the next step is that you have to find the traffic source. There are a lot of different traffic sources that you can use. You can use paid traffic source, you can use free traffic source. It depends on what you want. With the paid traffic source, you can be getting a lot of sales. The result is very quick, but with the free traffic source, you'll be able to make sales, but you have to put an extra effort so that you can get many people to click on it and then purchase the product. What I'm going to do in this video is that I'm going to be using a free traffic source so that those of you who are beginners without money can use the free traffic source to make the money. Once you make the money, you can use the paid traffic source so that you can increase the number of sales that you get. I've been using both the paid traffic source and the free traffic source, so any of you who want can also use the free traffic source and the paid traffic source. The free traffic source that we're going to be using today is hotwebads.com. On this website, you can advertise for free, and the best part is that you are going to be targeting people who live in the United States. People who live in the United States, most of them have the purchasing power to buy the product for you to earn a commission. So this is one of the best websites that you can use to promote your affiliate link for free. To promote your affiliate link, you don't need to register for an account. All that you need to do is that you have to click right here, post ad. So just click on it so that you can be able to post an ad. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. You can see you have to enter the title of your ad. So just type any title that matches the offer that you are promoting. When you look at the product landing page, it is a keto diet that will help people to burn fat. You can see it right here. So you can enter any reasonable title that will get people to click on your link and then buy the product. I'm going to enter a title here, but you can also enter your own title so that you can get people to click on it and then purchase the product. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to type something like lose weight fast with keto diet. You can type a title like this or you can make it better, but in this case I'm just demonstrating, so you have to take the time and then write a very nice title than this. Now once that is done, the next step is that you have to enter the description. The description, you have to come back on market health. Once you come back, you can copy this as your description. You can highlight and then copy this as your description. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back on hot web ads and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to upload images of the product. You can see add images. So you can search for keto diet images and then use them on your ad. So let's search for keto diet. Just search for it, keto diet. Once you search for it, select images. Once you select images, right click and then select save images. Once that is done, click on save. As you can see, that has been done. The next step is that you have to download another image. So just select any of them that you want, right click on it, select save images. You can download as many images as you want and then use them on your ad. So once you have downloaded your images, the next step is that you have to click on choose file. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open. As you can see, that has been done. The image has been uploaded. Once you upload the image, you can see related link or URL. So you have to paste your affiliate link right here. What you have to do is that you have to come back on market health. Once you come back on market health, this is your affiliate link. If you want to shorten it, just click right here so that the link can be shortened. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, highlight and copy your affiliate link. Once you copy it, you are going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to select the category of the ad that you are running. So click on it and then look for health. So just scroll down so that you can find health. As you can see, you have health and beauty. You have health and beauty fitness. You can see health insurance, health services, life insurance, nutrition, weight loss, other health ads. So just select weight loss. Once that is done, you can see target city. You can target any city that you want, but in this case I'm targeting all cities. You can see blank means all cities. So if you leave it like this, you are targeting all cities in the United States. Once that is done, you can see target state. You can select any state that you want, but in this case I'm targeting all states in the United States. So just leave it like this. Once that is done, you can see add owner name. Enter your name here. So type your name here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you type your name, you can see contact phone. If you want, you can enter your phone number right here. Once that is done, you can see contact email. You have to enter your email address here. So enter your email address. Once you enter your email address, you can see add password. You can enter a password so that anytime you want to log in and then check the statistics of your ad, you can do so. So just enter a password that you can remember. Once you enter a password, the next step is that you have to enter this code right here to verify. So it is 422164. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see no duplicate posting, please. You are not allowed to promote the same offer over and over. What you have to do is that you have to go back on market help, select another offer, come back and then post it. You can post as many as you want. So just go back on market help, select a different offer and then post it. Now once you have entered all the details, just click on submit. Once you click on submit, you can see congratulations, you have posted the advertisement successfully. Your ad has been posted successfully. You can see this is the title of your ad. When you click on it, you get a preview of it. You can see many other details of your ad. So it is going to expire on March 21st, 2025. So your ad is going to be here for 365 days. That is enough. But what you have to do is that you have to keep on logging in so that you can change your affiliate link. Some of the offers, your affiliate link will be valid for only 30 days. The cookie duration of some offers can be 30 days, 45 days, 90 days. So what I recommend is that every month you have to log in and then change your affiliate link so that you can be tracked always and get paid anytime you get a sale. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to preview my ad. So click on the ad title. Once you click on it, you can see this is your ad. You can see this is your ad. When you scroll down, you can see this is your image, and you can see right here this is your affiliate link. Right now it has 0 hit, meaning no one has clicked on it, but this is your ad. It looks nice. You can see everything. So when people want to buy the product, all that they need to do is that they have to click right here. Once they click on it, they are going to be directed to the offer. Let me click on it for you to see. Once you click on it, you can see it is going to be directed to the product landing page. As you can see, we have been redirected to the product landing page. So this is exactly what our potential customer is going to experience. So once they are directed to the product landing page, they can select their country right here and then make a purchase. Once they make the purchase, you are going to be earning money on markethelp.com. So make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money with this method. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.